Hi guys, I'm Dr. Madhuri Agarwal, founder and medical director of Yavana Aesthetics Clinic. Today I'm going to be talking about an exciting new treatment, lash lift with tint. Lash lift with tint is a new first of its kind keratin-based enhancement treatment of your natural eyelashes. This treatment provides curling with an upward lift and gives a tint to your natural eyelashes without any downtime. Lash lift with tint is the new treatment of choice. It has multiple benefits. Lash lift curls your lashes upward and gives tint, so you get height, volume and length and an appearance of longer, fuller lashes with zero downtime and no side effects. The best part about this is, since it's your natural eyelashes, you do not have elaborate care or precautions to be taken after the treatment. Since we are doing the enhancement of your natural lashes, we cannot really customize the length of the lashes, but we can definitely customize the amount of curls. So you require a gentle one or a dramatic one. According to your requirement, we can fix the curls. The results can also be customized for the color. So whatever tint you pick, the color can be added to your lashes. Lash lift with tint takes about an hour. Initially, when you step in the room, you are taken through the procedure by the clinic therapist. She basically understands your expectation of the lash lift results. She will address any queries you have about the procedure and then start the procedure. At the start of the procedure, your lashes are thoroughly cleansed of any eye makeup and then the procedure starts. After that, the lower lashes are separated by using a puff, which kind of depuffs the lower lid edema, at the same time separates them and doesn't end up in the way of the upper eyelid curl. Then it is followed by applying a silicone shield on the upper eyelid using a gentle adhesive. After this, adhesive is also applied on the top of the shield, and then your lashes are combed backward to set it on the shield in the shape desired. This is followed by an eye-safe curling solution which is purplish in color, and it is applied and left on for 10 minutes. This is removed and then a setting and nourishing lotion is applied. It is left on for 10 minutes. So now we are set and done with the curling process of the lashes. Now the last step involves applying the tint to the lashes. As I mentioned, you can pick up your choice. It can be charcoal black, bluish black or brown. The color is then applied on the lashes and left on for 10 minutes. At the end of all of this, the entire solution is removed with warm water and gradually your lashes are unglued from the shield. The puff below the eyes is removed, the shield is removed, and you can see the naturally curled lashes with the tint. This is also added on by concluding with a nice natural strengthening and nourishing lotion to the eyelashes. So this is how the entire procedure of lash lift with tint is done within an hour, and you end up with instant beautifully curled lashes at the end of it. Anyone can do this treatment. There is no age limit. There are no specific health concerns that you need to look at. If you want naturally beautiful lashes, either a male or a female are eligible for it. As these are your natural lashes, this treatment is very low on maintenance and post-care. Just refrain from wetting your lashes, steam and all forms of humidity and moisture for 24 hours. Avoid makeup for a day. After 24 hours, go ahead and do your routine activities, put on your makeup and enjoy those beautiful lashes. Lash extension involves application of artificial synthetic lashes to your natural lashes. So it is loaded with hassles. You have to take a lot of care when you're going about your normal routine, when you're applying your makeup, putting on your liner, mascara, or you have to take care when you're sleeping on your sides, on your stomach. So the list is endless. The chances of infections and allergic reactions are very high with lash extensions. The lash extensions also leave your lashes short, thin and brittle. On the other hand, lash lift with tint gives a semi-permanent curl and tint to your natural lashes without any harm in the long run.
I'm not big on makeup. I know, ironic given where I work, but I do like doing up my eyes. However, I've always felt that my eyelashes are a little too short and require a lot of mascara to look properly dolled up. So when I heard about the lash lift and realized it doesn't involve any crazy surgery, I was totally on board. It took about an hour in total and it's surprisingly not too uncomfortable. You lie down and the technician applies these plastic pads that separate your upper and lower lashes, which I felt was the only slightly uncomfortable part. After that, they apply a bunch of solutions onto your lashes while you just sort of chill with your eyes closed. There's also a dye component where you pick a shade that can really amplify the effect. However, I know people who've skipped the dye, so that's an option too. The technician was super attentive and careful, and my overall experience was really pleasant. With there always being functions and parties to go to, I think this is the perfect way to cut down on makeup time and add a little bit of oomph to my face. The lashes stay for about 2 to 3 months, but within a month and a half, I can see that the effect is not as strong as it was at the beginning. The color has faded quite a bit, and the lashes have lost some of their height. But overall, there's still a visible difference. I recommend brushing your lashes with a spoolie every day just to help them keep separated and prolong the effects of the lift. I'm told that people get this treatment on a recurring basis. However, for me, I think it would be most useful for the wedding season or while traveling. And the price range is quite good, so even if you wanted to get it more often, it wouldn't be so bad. I would definitely recommend this procedure to anyone interested in trying something new to change up the look of their face. It feels quite nice to be a little Bambi-eyed.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.